To begin, open the TikTok app on your phone. Log into your TikTok account, if you haven't already. Now go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines from the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings and Privacy. In the Accounts section, navigate to the Privacy settings. Next, you will find the new Reuse of Content option within the Interactions section. If it doesn't appear, ensure your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. Then tap on the option to proceed. You will then see the option labeled Allow Reuse of Content from. Tap on it. By default, everyone can reuse your content. If you want only the followers you follow to be able to reuse it, select Friends. To restrict it further and prevent anyone from reusing your content, select Only You. So that's how you can effectively use the Reuse Your Content feature on TikTok.